Hi, my name is Ashley Babinchak. I am a junior bioengineering major from Fort Mill, South Carolina.
Hi, my name is Lauren Romano. I'm a recent Clemson graduate. I graduated in December of 2020 with a Bachelor's of Science in Industrial Engineering.
What I learned from Lead Forward was just like accountability, feedback, emotional intelligence. These are all things that I think maybe are even more important than the math and the physics and the sciences. As an engineer, just being able to learn from people and work with people. And I think that's made me grow a lot.
This program turned college around for me, both academically and socially and all kinds of stuff professionally. And it allowed me to leave as a successful, accomplished student with a really bright future ahead.
Through the Clemson Lead Forward program, I have noticed that students have shown a higher level of performance. They are able to interact and motivate team members more easily. They also have a higher ability of leading by example and demonstrating that.
You're going to learn skills that would be far more outreaching than just what you do in school or even in your career. Yes, it will help you professionally, it'll help you in life, it'll help you in family relationships, in the community where you serve and live.
The biggest honor for me was to be a part of this program. It's my favorite thing to talk about, and I really do encourage anybody that could be a part of it to be a part of it. There will be no better decision that you make in your college career.